Hello everyone, continuation to the previous session. Today we will discuss installation of packages. What is package? A package is a group of separate installable file sets that provide a set of related functions. What is file set? File set is the smallest installable base unit on the operating system. Let's see. Now this is the smallest one. This is one file set. File set. File set. Collection of file sets is called package. So collection of packages are called, this one is a package. So all packages, collection of packages is called LPP, licensed program product. So these LPPs are called bundles. Okay. LSLPP shows the all the file sets. See here, all are the file sets. A file sets include the all the files that constitutes a complete product, such as example the boss, terminal info, data, or a separately installable part of the product. All the packages and file sets combination is called bundle. Bundle also contain LPP, licensed program product, is the complete software product including all the packages associated with the licensed program. Here the BOS, this one is the LPP. All these are the predefined bundles in operating system device. This is the one, and boss is the one bundle, and Java, this is also separate program. This one Mozilla server, KDE, graphical graphics, Xenome, all these are the bundles. Here this one is a file set, right? Everything knows your file set, what it mapping. This one is the LPP, package, file set, and suffix. So every dot is the separated by this one LPP, package, file set, and suffix. Let's see the OS level. So this is the OS version, level, service pack, YY, and week. So this is the format of VRMF. All these packages are get by the CD at the time of installation. For example, something is happened to the any program or anything package. So at that time, the IBM will fix the that issue only. That is not the tested in all the environment. It is emergency fix. That is called APAR. APAR, Authorized Program Analysis Report. It's a start with IY and any other name example. So this is not tested in all the environment. It's a emergency fix. So how to install this one? Using instfix. is the command to install APAR installation. And the software installation is either applied mode or committed mode. Any software can be installed. Example, in applied mode. Applied mode, we can install the software either committed or reject. In committed mode, just commit only. Any software can be installed. If, for example, in the applied mode, what it happens? So, any software is installed that is in temporary purpose only. We can test everything is working fine. Then we can commit the software, or else we can reject the software. That means uninstall the software in committed mode. So everything can be installed indirectly. Let's see the difference between advantage and the disadvantages. For example, any software is installed in applied mode. So the old version of the file set, for example, 6.1.1.1 is there in already existed. So we are going to install 6.1.1.2. So both the softwares are exist in the system. So here advantage is we can simply move to the new version to old version. Disadvantage is both softwares are installed on the system. Space issue is there. Here space is less. Disadvantage is we cannot go back to the previous version. So for example, if any file set F1, this one is a file set, it's already exist on the system, we can install either applied mode or committed mode. For example, F2 is the file set. This is not exist on the system. If we are first time installation, all the file sets are installed in committed mode only. Now see OS level. Here 7.2.0.0. The 7 is the version, 2 is the release. This 0, first 0 indicates modification. The last indicates fix. First 7.2. This we can increase either not the either, that is the only way migration. We can increase these two levels with the update. Instfix is the command to install any fix. Fnk is the command to install iy. Then name, example, fnd/dev cd0. For example, if I need to search any related SCSI related /d/dev cd0, it will search all the contents. Any instant fix is there available on the cd-rom. Otherwise it will not. To list which AX boss maintenance level is partly or fully installed. Instfix fni grep ml. So all these are installed. So all the installations exist at usr lpp. So here all the package names are here. If we uninstall, it will remove from here. That instfix is only for APAR. Now we will see how softwares can be installed using installp is a command to install any software. Here hyphen p indicates the preview mode, hyphen a applied mode, hyphen c committed mode. For example, if we don't want any software using reject, then uninstall hyphen u. So software can be installed this one extended files if anything is required slash dev cd 0 and hyphen z. Z means install any prerequisites. It's automatically. Hyphen x means extend the file system if it is required. Install p hyphen r then file set name. It will reject the files. Hyphen u file set name. It will uninstall the file set. For example, if I need to search any file sets, is that installed or not? Using lslpp is the command to list all the file sets are installed in the operating system. For example, lslpp-l grep bus dot sysmgt nim. See here only the client is installed. Now I am going to install master using install p command. Install p hyphen a hyphen x hyphen d slash dev cd 0 this one master. Now the master is going to install right now. One second, let me insert the cd. Sorry, it says 0. So this one is installed. Let's see. ls lpp hyphen I grep boss sys mgt dot nim. Previously it doesn't shows. Now let's install one more also. Install p hyphen axd. We can write this one also in the combination and spot. Now let's see. 4. Okay. Now I don't want this software. Install p-u. Let's see, only 3. So -u means uninstall the software. Let's see, os level -s. And one more command, os level -r. This is the short form. For example, now I need to search any software which is less than the base OS. There is no software. Any software is not less than the current operating system. And same way we can check greater than. So all the file sets are installed greater than the this 02. Let's see 04. Let's check 05. So all are up to date. For example, any file sets, any package got the problem. So I need to clear that one. So install p hyphen capital C, then package name, or everything, all the packages. So use hyphen C capital C all.